Good day peeps, me again Denner, and today is part 2 of our Taiwan tour, and this time we're going to the Shifen Old Street, where you can have a glimpse of the old railway that still works up to now. One of the famous is the sky lantern, where you can make a wish, and before it was practiced because of the incoming train, and they use that as a signaling system, but now they use it to make a wish, and I hope our wish will be granted. So come check this out. Now here at Shifen Old Street, or where the old train station is. Vincent, the train is still working. Oh, there's still train. You see, they have good highways here. Long stretch of highways. Hindi pa skyway yan. This is just passing from one mountain to another. Very nice government. No spending of corruption. Money. Sana ganyan sa Pilipinas. And you can see the tunnels cutting across the mountain.
Can recycle the...
They can recycle. So no harmful effect to the environment, like plastic and that. Okay. Very nice.
The power.
Every hour.
Yeah.
So we also... Here's the old train station. So still malamig pa rin dito sa Taiwan. Maybe 19 or below degrees. Very touristy place, but this is where they have this old street railroad, and you can see in the background, that's where they fly the lantern. You see lots of people flying the lantern. Bring good luck. You got to put something there. $200 depends on the color code and the...
Diba? O, tama.
And your wish. That's my wish. Do that. So here's the old train crossing. can push a lantern for 3 to 4 persons, 150 to 200 Taiwanese dollars. Here is where you have to put. Turnings are here, vicious lock na hindi magkarash. Everything you put here is about love, marriage, promotion, peace, abundance. My promotion or greener pasture. More subscribers on my account, YouTube subscriber. And of course everything in between. Success, good health. All the kids study hard.
Sure.
That's our luck. Hope it flies. If it crashes, no good. You gotta watch out for the train. Train's coming. Train's coming. Of course, this is my wish for the family. Good fortune, good health, to love each other. Good career, business growth, kids for studies. Peace and blessing to everyone. Spirited away. Famous lantern. Ready to fly.
Go here.
Service.
No, this is our... both side picture, both side picture.
Post only. That because I'm vlogging. I'm YouTuber. A YouTuber? Yeah. You subscribe to my channel.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go.
That's it. We flew successfully. It means that it might come true. So all our wishes and good fortune will go there. Taiwanese people will get it. Don't worry. It's not bad for the environment. It's good for the environment because it's only paper. Okay. Use the burning. Use that. Saan? 3D effect. 3D effect.
Diba?
Oy! Okay na. Saan kami magpalipad ng photo? Dito ay sige na.
Yes.
Magulo sila. Daming... Ay! Ano yan? Ayun, sumabit. Burn! It's burn! There goes your fortune. Don't worry. You'll have another one. Oh. More lanterns. The other one burned. Not good fortune, but don't worry. You'll have another one. That's how you do it. Ayan. There used to be an old coal mine here. Old coal house, they call it, where they transport the coals via train using that train. This is it. Coal house. Taiwan Coal Mine Museum right there. Stretch of highways they got here. And it's very tall, even taller than our skyway. Grabe, ang galing naman. We're going to the Shifen waterfall. We're gonna be fast because we need to go 3 more sites after this. Let's check it out. That's the falls. It's a moving bridge. Ay, nakakatakot, gumagalaw yung tulay, oh. It's moving, it's moving. What? Look at that! The bridge is moving! The bridge is moving! It's gonna fall! Ah! It's gonna fall! Oh, okay, you only have 2 options. Cross the bridge or go to that train rail there. Up nga eh, oh. Oh, dito ka sa gitna namin para hindi ka mahilo sa gitna. So. Ayun, nagpipicture sa kabilang kabayo. Wow, look at the koi fishes right there. Again, pasalubong if you like to buy souvenirs. Kinoki. Oo. The coal miners of Taiwan. I was able to fly the drone at Shifen waterfall. Not much video on my phone, but on the drone. Good to fly. Great place, great place. Na yung dreaded suspension bridge. Ginagalaw. Man, this bridge is moving. This bridge is moving. Taiwan would be this good because I've been hearing a lot, but now I know why it's a good place. Nice people, nice tourist spots area. Brings the nature in you. If you like nature, this is it. Shifen Falls. Ano na yung susunod, Pensy? Shifen Village. It's like a Shifen village, yung mga houses na nakapatong-patong na iba-ibang kulay. Nasa mountain. May lantern din. So may lantern din. Gusto dito mga lanterns. Milk tea. The land of milk tea. And good nature. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the upper left and on the lower right. Peace.